How to fix iPhone 14 Pro not receiving text notifications. Hello dear friends, how are you today? With you a new and important video, which is how to fix iPhone 14 Pro not receiving text notifications. I hope you like it, but before watching, subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new, and now let's follow the explanation. If your iPhone 14 Pro is not receiving text notifications, this can be a big problem. However, you can quickly fix many issues with receiving text notifications. Here is how to fix it when iPhone 14 Pro not receiving text notifications. How to fix iPhone 14 Pro not receiving text notifications issue. Here are some fixes to try if your iPhone 14 Pro text notifications are not working. 1. Make sure that notifications for messages are enabled. Here's how you can check that. Go to Settings, Notifications. Scroll down and find Messages. Apps are listed alphabetically. Make sure Allow Notifications is set to On. If not, turn on the switch. Also, make sure that the sound setting is not set to None. Make sure the audio option is selected. 2. Make sure the person's voice is not muted. If you are not receiving sound notifications from certain contacts or groups, make sure that Hide Alerts for these contacts or groups is not turned on. If Hide Alerts is turned on, notifications will be muted. Open Messages, check your individual or group chats, and if next to the conversation you see a bell icon with a crossed line, then it's muted. If you see a crossed out bell icon, you need to turn the volume back. Swipe left across the conversation you want to hear voices from. Click on the bell icon. 3. Check the focus mode. You may not receive text notifications because focus may be enabled on your iPhone 14 Pro. There are several focus options such as Do Not Disturb, Personal or Silent. Focus will silence your notifications. When enabled, your device will not make any sound. You can check this setting by going to Settings, Focus. You can turn on focus and continue to receive sound notifications by customizing focus options. For example, you can turn on Do Not Disturb and then allow notifications from specific people. Go to Settings, Focus. Select your focus option. Under Allowed Notifications, tap People. Click Add Person. Then, you can add someone and you will receive notifications for that person, even when the focus is on. 4. Make sure your iPhone is not in silent mode. Your device has a mute switch, ring or silent. On your iPhone, this switch is located on the left side of your device. Make sure that the mute is not turned on by pressing the ring silent switch to the ring position. 5. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple software glitch can be the reason why your iPhone 14 Pro is not receiving notifications. Try restarting your iPhone to see if this solves the problem. Press and hold the volume up or down and the side buttons together until you see the power off slider. Drag the slider and wait for your device to turn off. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. 6. Check your Apple Watch. Do you also use an Apple Watch? If your iPhone is locked or asleep while your watch is not locked with a passcode, the text notification will be sent to your watch, not the iPhone 14 Pro. If this happens, this is normal behavior. 7. Temporarily set the sound alert to a different tone. Go to Settings, Notifications and select an app. For example, Messages, tap Sounds and select a different app. Follow these steps. Go to Settings, Notifications, Messages, Sounds and select a different alert tone. Reboot your device. Now go back to Settings, Notifications, Messages, Sounds and choose the tone you want. 8. Restart the Messages app. If you find that your iPhone 14 Pro is not receiving text notifications after trying the above steps, try to force the Messages app to close. Go to your home screen and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Find the Messages app and swipe up to close it. Then restart again. 9. Update your iPhone. Make sure you are using the latest version of iOS. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General Software Update. And if an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to update your device to the latest version. If updating does not help, try the following solution. 10. Turn off filtering of unknown senders. You can automatically filter spam and texts from unknown people on your iPhone. When you enable this feature, you may miss some meaningful text notifications. Additionally, if someone texts you who is not in your contact list, the Messages app will likely sort their text into a separate list and won't notify you. You can fix this by going to Settings, Messages, Unknown and Spam and turning off Filter Unknown Senders. 11. Disconnect the Bluetooth devices. If you forget and leave the Bluetooth headphones or devices connected to your iPhone 14 Pro, the sound of the new text message may be output through that instead of the speaker on the device. You can fix this by going to the Settings app and turning off Bluetooth. Or you can also disconnect these devices from the iOS Control Center by tapping on the Bluetooth icon. 12. Make sure you don't block the person. After you block someone, they can't call or text you. If your iPhone 14 Pro isn't receiving text messages from a specific person, make sure you haven't added them accidentally or on purpose to the block list. Launch the Settings app and tap on Messages. Go to Blocked Contacts. If the person is listed here, swipe left on their name or number and tap on Block. 13. Ensure that the custom text tone is not set to None. Did you set None as the alert tone for a particular contact and forgot about it? If yes, iPhone 14 Pro will not receive text notification alerts for that person. Here's how to undo that and get a proper tone for new texts from that person. Click on the person's name in the Contacts or Phone app. Click Text Tone and choose a different alert tone instead of None. Click Done to save this change. If you don't see the text tone in Step 2, then you haven't set a custom text tone for that person. Please go to the next fix. 14. Disable text message forwarding. When you choose to receive text messages on your Mac or iPad, sometimes new text notifications may not appear on your iPhone 14 Pro. To fix this, go to Settings, Messages, Text Message Forwarding and turn it off for other Apple devices. 15. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings is our last option to fix any underlying software issue that might prevent your iPhone 14 Pro from receiving text notifications. Resetting all settings of your iPhone will erase all Wi-Fi networks, preferences, and passwords. However, your personal data, such as text messages, photos, and apps, will be kept safe. To reset all settings on your iPhone, go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset and tap Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and click Reset All Settings to continue. After the reset is complete, the iPhone will restart itself. 16. Repair options for your iPhone. If you are still unable to fix your iPhone 14 Pro not receiving text notifications issue after all these steps, then it might be a hardware issue. In this case, it is best to contact Apple support for further assistance. iPhone 14 Pro not receiving text notifications issue fixed. And at the end of the video, thank you for watching and see you in a new video.